Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get or to catch this Blue Morpho in Heartopia. So in this game, you can catch this beautiful butterfly, and to catch it is very easy. First, you just need to go to forest, more precisely at the Spirit Oak Pine Forest. This one, and then this butterfly will spawn from 6 a.m. until midnight, but it only spawns at the sunny and rainbow weather. So just avoid for the rainy weather. And so just go to the forest, Spirit Oak Pine Forest, when run when it's sunny or rainbow weather at this area you can see it. Just go to this area and then next just walk around until you spot this butterfly, the Blue Morpho. And you can also use the insect attractor or sense booster to make the catching insect activity more easily. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.